Hi friends, welcome back to a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I am in my bathroom. I need to clean the space up, so I thought I would do a clean and decorate with me video. So let's get started. If you've been following me, then you know that I don't do a lot of clean and decorate with me videos in my bathroom. I usually do the spring and summer off camera. I did do some in the past, but I usually share with you my fall and my Christmas bathroom. Now I thought I needed to do a deep clean, so I would take you along with me for that. Here I'm just removing everything so I can start cleaning. Now to remove any build-up lime scale, I like to use this Tweedo foam cleaner, and I love using foam cleaners because you just spray it on and let it do its work. You don't have to do heavy scrubbing. Now you guys, this is the very first time that I'm cleaning my shower here on camera. I never do that because I mentioned this before. I usually do this right before I take my shower because I don't want it to get like really wet. But anyway, I thought I would show you how I clean my shower as well. And also for my toilet, I like to use this cleaning foam. It is just so much easier, you guys. Now, how about this cute toilet light? It is battery operated and it works on a sensor. So as soon as I open the bathroom door, it will go on at night. So I don't have to turn on the light when I go to the bathroom. So how convenient is that? I always use regular bleach when I clean my bathroom, but then I saw this eucalyptus scented bleach. I thought I would use that for a change, and I really love it, you guys. But in the meantime, look at this filthy build-up. It is so nasty. But anyway, I use a ton of product when I clean my bathroom. This Method shower cleaner, for instance, it has a very nice and soft smell. Now, the reason that I use a ton of cleaning product, I wanted to mask the strong scent of the regular bleach. Now I don't have to do that, I think, anymore, so I think I'm gonna cut back on all the products because the eucalyptus scented bleach is enough to kill germs and everything, and it does leave a nice scent. Now in a past video, someone asked me why I don't use gloves when I clean my bathroom. Now the reason for that is I didn't feel comfortable using gloves, is because I didn't have the right one. So I went looking for some better fitting gloves, and I found these blue ones, you guys, and they are a perfect fit for my hands. So now I can clean without worrying that all the chemicals will damage my hands.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back.
And after I've given everything a good clean, I finish with this antibacterial multi-purpose cleaner that kills off 99% of the germs. And that is just how I like to finish off. And I don't think I'm gonna cut back on this product because I really love this, and the idea that it kills 99% of the germs, that's a plus.
No, it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. Such a masterpiece, swaying in the spotlight. Makes me feel so good inside.
Now, here's a little fun fact. When I take a shower, it is at least 15 minutes. And I say at least because it is never shorter, but sometimes longer. And as you saw at the beginning of the video, I have like a bucket full of products, you guys, when I take my shower. And the only thing that I don't use on a regular daily basis are my shampoo and my conditioner. But everything else, I have like my dental hygiene, my feminine hygiene, my facial products, and my shower products, my shower cream and stuff like that. So it is a lot. So all these routines that I have, I cannot get out of the shower until I've done everything. So leave me a comment below. Let me know how long do you take a shower, because I always find it so amazing when someone says they're done in 5 minutes. I wish I could to save up all that water. Really, I do. So leave me a comment below. Let me know how long you are in the shower.
Strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. Look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are.
Now, you guys, is it just me or what? Because it is in the middle of summer and I am already thinking of fall. And it is just because I love fall so much. And I know some of you cannot be bothered with fall right now. And usually me neither. But I don't know what it is. And just the other day, I walked into Action and they already started putting out their fall decor. I've been watching YouTube creators doing fall sneak peeks in the stores in the US, and oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot wait. But I do enjoy the summer, but to me fall is the best season ever. So yeah, drop me a comment below, let me know. I know you probably, like I said, you want to enjoy summer, as do I, but my mind just keep thinking about fall. So let me know down in the comment below, is that just me or are you thinking about fall too? I mean, you don't have to like start doing fall decorations and stuff like that, because that's like way too early. But yeah, maybe you are thinking about it just as I am. Just let me know down below.
Strangers again. Strangers again. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna.
Like I mentioned, I do clean this bathroom every single week, and I don't do a deep clean. I just give everything a good wipe down, like the toilet, the sink and the bathtub, and I give the floor a mop. But when I do a deep clean like this, like every month, I like to go down on my hands and knees and clean the floor really well, going into all the nooks and crannies just to make sure that everything is really clean.
Sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Now that everything is nice and clean, I can start decorating, you guys. That's always the best part. Now notice that I did remove the tier tray that I had here for ages, and I have to say I will bring it back for fall and Christmas, I think. But for now I wanted to keep it like really simple. I am using the same roses that I already had above the toilet, and I'm adding this really nice foliage that I bought early spring, and I think that it makes this bouquet very simple, very elegant, and I'm going for a very nice and clean look here.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you.
Now, since I didn't decorate with this bowl downstairs, I didn't want to store it, so I thought I would bring it up here in the bathroom, using it as a towel holder. And you know me, I love decorating with towels, and I wanted to try something different, so I thought this was a great way to bring in that spa feeling in this bathroom. And for this summer I'm going again with pink, you guys. I just love the pink color for summer season.
Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand.
I noticed that sometimes in the morning I get the wrong dispenser, so I decided to mark them down, which one is creamy and which one is soap, so I don't do that anymore. And I really love these nice gold letters, but I'm not gonna do anything gold in this space. I want to keep it silver, because even though I like to mix my metal, I like the silver here in my bathroom. And this summer I'm gonna go with this very simple, elegant, but glamorous spa-like look. Now I have no clue why, but I like to have options. So next to my soap dispenser I also have a bar of soap here all the time.
Someone who can hold your hand.
don't you love it when you're done cleaning? I always feel so satisfied when everything is all clean and smelling nice and fresh again. And I sometimes I wonder what is the best feeling: a clean kitchen, a clean living room, a clean bathroom, a clean bedroom. I think it's just overall when your home is clean, it is so nice, you guys. The nice fresh scent of everything clean. But anyway, I'm going to end this video here, and I'm gonna leave you with a small tour. So drop me a comment, let me know what you think and what is your favorite space to clean. I hope that you could have gotten some inspiration from this video to clean and decorate your space for the summer season. For now, I want to thank you so much for watching. And again, don't forget to drop me a comment. You know, I always love to read your comments and respond to them. I sometimes respond a little bit later than I want to, but I always respond. So again, thank you for watching, and I see you in my next one really soon. Until then, always remember to live, laugh and love, and stay safe. Bye.
Without you by my side, let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to.